Hey,
Stop putting yucky chemicals on your carpet.
instead use this recipe using natural ingredients to make your home smell fresh and clean. To make this recipe, you will want to grab your Simply Earth Monthly Essential Oil Recipe Box. Pull out your labels and recipe card and our new Homebody blend. This blend is safe to use around cats and dogs, so you can feel safe using this carpet powder. Along with these things from your kitchen, grab a cup of baking soda and a jar or old salt shaker. To make this recipe, we're gonna start by filling our jar or salt shaker with the baking soda. All right, so we've added about half the baking soda to this, and now we're gonna add our essential oils, then we'll add the rest of the baking soda. So we're gonna add 15 drops of our Homebody Essential Oil blend. Let's put the lid on, and then we'll shake to mix, and we'll put a paper towel over it so that we don't get powder everywhere. So once it's shaken or well mixed, it's ready to be used. You'll just sprinkle this onto your carpet, let it sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour, and then vacuum it up, and your house is gonna smell so good. Don't forget to grab a label from your recipe box, and you're ready to go.
For more recipes like this, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit the subscribe now button.
You will love this recipe, and you'll love learning how to use essential oils to make your home more natural. Thanks
See you
for
later.
watching. Instead, use this natural recipe using essential oils that will leave your house feeling Instead,